Welcome to our channel. Today, we continue our journey through Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. If you missed the previous video on chapters 25 and 26, be sure to check it out. Now, let's dive back into 19th century England and high society. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. In chapter 27 of Pride and Prejudice, the discovery of Lydia and Mr. Wickham is revealed. The chapter opens with the return of Mr. Bennet from his journey to London, where he can locate Lydia and Mr. Wickham and negotiate a resolution to their elopement. It is revealed that Mr. Bennet secured a marriage between Lydia and Mr. Wickham and that the couple will reside in Northumberland. The news of the marriage is met with mixed emotions by the Bennet family and their friends. Elizabeth is happy that her youngest sister is now married but is concerned about the family's reputation and the scandal caused by Lydia's behavior. Mrs. Bennet is overjoyed that one of her daughters is now married, but she is concerned about the limited prospects for her other daughters due to the scandal. Throughout the chapter, the consequences of Lydia's actions are explored, and the impact on the reputation of the Bennet family is emphasized. The chapter underscores the societal pressure surrounding marriage and the importance of maintaining one's reputation and serves further to develop the characters and their relationships with one another. Chapter 28 focuses on Mr. Gardiner's mission to investigate Lydia's elopement with Mr. Wickham. Mrs. Bennet is frantic with worry about Lydia's reputation and future. Still, Mr. Bennet tries to calm her by reminding her that Mr. Gardiner is a wise and capable man who will handle the situation. Mr. Gardiner travels to London, where he meets with Mr. Wickham and tries to persuade him to do the right thing by marrying Lydia. Mr. Wickham is initially resistant but eventually agrees to the marriage when Mr. Gardiner offers him a substantial sum. The wedding occurs secretly, and Mr. Wickham returns to Longbourn as a married couple. The chapter highlights Mr. Gardiner's practical and straightforward approach to the situation and willingness to take charge and solve the problem. It also reveals that Mr. Wickham was motivated by financial gain and was not as noble as he had appeared to be. This chapter underscores the importance of reputation in Georgian society and the consequences that can result from acting impulsively or foolishly. Thank you for joining us for this summary of Pride and Prejudice, chapters 27 and 28. Stay tuned for more twists and turns in this beloved classic. Don't forget to subscribe for updates, and if you need a copy of the book, check the link in the description. Get ready to fall in love with Elizabeth and Mr. Darcy all over again. See you in our next video.